Without leaving the pit lane, the speed has been intentionally reduced. This is the formation lap. Use this moment to compose yourselves.
Systems are running smoothly. All drivers on the track.
The formation lap ends in a few seconds. The field is closed up. Other vehicles are close to you. Now, we're gonna make a flying start. Hammer time! Good work, driver. The race is over. Slow down. We're heading back to the pit stop. Then remain seated. Debrief awaits you back in the box. Then, well, it's on to the winner's podium. Enjoy the moment. You've earned it.
Da gab es gar kein Foto. Ja, hier ist aus dem Ich hatte, glaube ich, so einen Klapper. Ja, das ist